Welcome back to American literature. So today we are going to discuss the term Puritanism. In the last classes we were discussing antebellum period, postbellum period. So they are combinedly called antebellum and postbellum of America. So those are periods. So I don't want to repeat again those two periods which we have discussed. Let us switch on to the term called Puritanism. We can also study this term Puritanism in British literature, but here we are going to talk about Puritanism in America. So this is also discussed in British literature, but American Puritanism is somewhat different from British Puritanism. And coming to American Puritanism, so people in the early settlers of America were Puritans and Pilgrims. Both these groups are Protestants. They protested against the authority of Pope in those days. Most of the people they migrated from Europe to America. The people who did not like the authority of Pope, they want to migrate to the newly discovered land, that is America. So they protested against the authority of Pope. They don't want to be under the authority of Pope, and they migrated to newly discovered land, that is America. These people, the Puritans and Pilgrims who migrated to America, were fired by the zeal to reform the church. They want to renew the church from the corruption that prevailed in those days. Not only that, they attack the administrative structure of church, which is not according to the Bible. So church has filled with a lot of corruption. They want to reform it. They don't want to be under the authority of Pope. They want to reform the administrative structure of the church, which is not according to the Bible. They thought that Bible is the only authority and it was the word of God. So they were called the people of book. So for American Puritans, they want to follow the Bible, or they want to follow the word of God, and they are called people of book. They were influenced by some of the reformers like Martin Luther, John Calvin, and so on and so forth. The Puritans believed that they were a chosen people by God and found many similarities with the Israelites. And finally, American literature is influenced very much by Puritan beliefs and their attitudes. So these people, some of these people, not all the people, some of the people who lived a pure life or who wanted a pure life, they have involved in the literature of America. So with them, American literature was formed. So when Puritans started writing American literature, it is called Puritanism in America. So you can read more and you can know more about this term, literary term, Puritanism. That's all. Thank you very much.